Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hi guys, so today we'll see how to create a billing alarm in your AWS account. So right now I'm in CloudWatch Management Console and go to the billing section, and there you'll go to create alarm. Metric name should be estimated charges, currency in which you want to measure your or you set the threshold value. Statistics should be maximum. Period I want to check for 1 day, and what I'll check for $1. So here I'm saying whenever the value is greater than $1 in 1 day, I want to get an alert. Okay, so to get an alert you need to create an SNS topic. We don't have any existent one, so we'll create new. Enter the email address, let's say example.com. Okay, that would be the email address where you want to get the alerts. Create topic, and next give it a name, billing alert, and next, and create alarm. So now you'll see your alarm has been created. It's showing insufficient data because it's collecting the data. One it will collect, it will show you whether it's in OK state or in alarm state. Okay, so one more thing you'll see here is pending confirmation. It is showing because you have to go to that email address where for which you have created the SNS topic, and there's a confirmation mail pending from AWS. So you need to log into that email address and confirm that email address. Okay, now there's one more thing I want to show you. Go to the billing section. So before doing this, you need to make sure that you are from root access, that you have the root access, or if you are from IAM user, then you need to have the billing management access control policy. So we are in billing section. Go to the billing preferences and click these two: receive free tier usage alerts and receive billing alerts, and as always enter the email address. So what it will do, it will send you the alerts whenever you over exhaust your free tier usage, so that you don't get any extra amount. Okay, so this is all from this lecture. Thank you.